Hello everyone, welcome back to ATP Creative Corner. Today's recipe is pizza paratha. My baby loves pizza, so I tried this recipe with the ingredients that are already available at home and my baby loved it. So I thought I should share this recipe with you all. So let's get started. First, I am making chapati dough. I am taking half cup of water. Now amount of water depends on how many chapatis you want to make. With half cup of water I make 4 chapatis. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I am mixing it well. Next I am going to add wheat flour in small quantities. Next I am going to knead it to make a soft dough. Now our dough is ready. Next, for the fillings, I have taken 1 big onion, 1 carrot, 1 capsicum and small piece of cabbage. Now I am using my Pegion chopper to cut these vegetables into really small pieces. This chopper comes in 3 pieces, the container, the blade and the lid. First I am adding small chunks of onions into this. Now I'll close the lid. I'll pull the handle like this. I'll check for the size. Now I want really finely chopped onions, so I'm going to pull the handle few more times. Now this is done. I'll transfer it into a container. Next I'm adding the carrots. You can see here how finely the carrots are chopped. Similarly, I am going to chop the other 2 vegetables as well. I use this chopper while making fried rice or even while making pav bhaji masala. Honestly, I've been using this product on a daily basis and I really liked it. I'll leave the product link in the description box below, so if you like it, you can check the product there. Now I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. I am adding carrots and cabbage into this and saute them for 2 minutes. Now I am adding onions and capsicum into this and saute them for another 2 minutes. I am adding a little bit of salt and pepper powder to this and nothing else. Do not add too much salt because the pizza sauce and the cheese are going to contribute to considerable amount of salt to this recipe. Now our filling is done. For the cheese, I am using Amul cheese slices because it's always available at home. You can also use grated mozzarella cheese as well. So what I do is I usually cut the cheese into small pieces like this. And I'm cutting it further into small bits like this. Now I'm going to take a small portion of the dough, sprinkle some atta on it and roll it to make a normal chapati. Now our chapati is done. Now I'm going to put pizza sauce. I use Kissan Pizza and Pasta sauce. I really like this sauce, you guys. It has all the Italian seasonings as well. I'll spread the sauce using a spoon like this. I'm using very less sauce since I'm doing this for my toddler. Now I'll spread the fillings only on one half of the chapati like this. I am adding a thin layer of the filling because that's how my baby likes it. But if you are making it for yourself, you can add a thick layer. Next I am going to spread some cheese bits on it. Now I am going to fold the chapati in half like this and pat it slowly. You can roll it slightly if you want. Now I'll transfer the paratha onto the hot tawa. I'll wait until it bubbles up like this and flip it over. I'll add some ghee on it. Applying ghee on the other side as well. I'll keep flipping until both the sides are cooked properly and transfer it into a plate. And our pizza paratha is ready. This smells like pizza and tastes like pizza too. You can see all the cheese has been melted. Now I usually cut it into strips like this before feeding it to my toddler. This way it's very easy for them to eat. And this is my personal favorite too. I hope you guys liked this video. Hit that like button if you really liked this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.